Good morning, children. Today we are going to learn very important parts of our body which are called sense organs.
We have 5 sense organs. They are the eyes, ears, nose, and tongue, which are on the face. The skin is the 5th sense organ, which is found all over our body. Eyes. We can see things around us with the help of our eyes. We see their color and shape. Ears. We hear with our ears. It helps us to hear different sounds around us. Nose. We smell through our nose. The smell of different things, good and bad, like food, flowers, medicines, garbage, can only be known with the help of the nose. Tongue. We know the taste of different things like sweet, sour, pungent, bitter, with the help of the tongue. Skin. We can feel a thing by touching it. This is done with the help of the skin. Examples: hot or cold, smooth or rough, soft or hard, etc. Remember, all the sense organs of our body make our life easy and comfortable. They enable us to see, hear, smell, taste, and feel all the good things of life.
Children, we have seen the video of our sense organs. They help us to see, hear, smell, taste, and feel all the things of life. Today, I'll be showing you some pictures. In the first picture, see the things carefully and identify the correct things of given sense. This picture is sense of sight, means sense to see. The things which you can see. Now children, you have to tell me what things you can see in this picture. Spectacles, can you see with your eyes? Yes, you can. Rainbow, yes, you can see. Magnifying glass, magnifying glass is to see the small objects. Yes, that you can see with your eyes. Book, can you see? Yes, you can see. Loudspeaker, yes, you can see. But loudspeaker, it is to hear the sound. So sound can you see? No, you cannot. Shoe, can you see that? Yes, you can see that. But after wearing a shoe, there is a smell. So that small lines front of loudspeaker, that 3 lines, and shoe, it shows loudspeaker, it is sound to hear, and shoe, that is there is a smell. That line shows that. So we will not count them as a sight. Only spectacles, rainbow, magnifying glass, and book, that you can see. Sound you cannot see, smell you cannot see, right? Next is sense of smell, means things which you can smell with your nose. Understood, children? First is duck, can you smell? No. Next, perfume, can you smell? Yes, that is a good smell. Garbage, can you smell? Yes, you can. Next, squirrel, can you smell? Yes, there is a smell in their hair. Sometimes it smells. Next, microscope. Microscope is an instrument in which you can see small things big or bigger, but that you cannot smell. Understood? things which you can smell in this picture: socks, perfume, garbage, and squirrel. Next, there is another picture for you, that is sense of sound. Means you can hear and understand different type of sound. In this picture, which sound can you hear? Alarm clock. Can you hear the alarm? Yes, you can. Bell. Can you hear? Yes, you can. Next, sparrow. Sparrow, sound of sparrow when they chirping. That sound. Yes, you can hear. Mushroom. Can you hear? No. Loudspeaker. Yes, sound you can hear. That plant. Can you hear? No. So only alarm clock, bell, sound of bird, and loudspeaker that you can hear. Understood? Next is fourth picture, sense of taste. What can you see in this picture? Let's start with right hand side. First picture, that is piece of pizza. Can you taste piece of pizza? Yes. French fries, can you taste? Yes, you can. Next, cake, can you taste? Yes. That is your favorite. Next, musical instrument that you cannot taste. Ice cream, can you taste? Yes, you can taste. Car, can you taste? No. Children, tell me, which sense organ help us to taste all these things? Yes, tongue, you are right. Tongue help us to taste different taste. Next, that is sense of touch. Things that you can touch and understand, whether it is soft or hard, smooth or rough. In this picture, moon, can you touch and feel? No. Pillow, yes, it is very soft. You can feel it by touching. Next, sun and cloud, can you touch? No, you cannot. Cat, yes, you can touch and feel. It is very soft. Next is cactus. Cactus is a plant. उसके ऊपर thorns रहते हैं, कांटे. That you can touch and feel. Next, rabbit. You can touch. Yes, you can touch and feel. It is very soft. So children, you have to practice this, because there will be an activity, similar kind of activity for you, where you will color the things which you can see, which you can hear, which you can taste, which you can touch and smell. Thank you. Have a nice day.